Adventure, exploration, and style. If these three things are your favorites, then the Garmin Instinct 3 Solar is for you. In today's short video, we will discuss everything about this incredible smartwatch. Solar-powered technology, mil standard 810 standard toughness, 100-meter water resistance, and health fitness tracking, all in one place. Let's get started. First, let's talk about its most exciting feature: solar-powered technology. This technology provides the device with long-lasting battery life, allowing it to run for weeks on a single charge. Just a few hours of sunlight can give you extra power. For those who love spending time outdoors and don't want to worry about frequent charging, this is perfect. Additionally, the Garmin Instinct 3 Solar is built ruggedly. It meets the mil standard 810 standard, meaning it can withstand heat, shock, water, and other challenging environments. With 100-meter water resistance, you can swim, get caught in the rain, or embark on any adventure without hesitation. One of the most interesting features of this watch is the built-in LED torch light. It helps to guide the low light and supports the SOS mode in an urgent need. You can adjust the light intensity, which is very useful for night running, camping, or adventure. When it comes to health and fitness, this watch has you fully covered. 24/7 heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress level monitoring, and many other features provide real-time data about your body. Fully synced with your smartphone, this watch brings calls, texts, emails, and social media notifications directly to your wrist. You can also use music control and the Find My Phone feature, because convenience matters. The interface is simple and user-friendly, allowing you to customize watch faces and widgets according to your style and needs. It's not just a smartwatch, it's a reflection of your personality. The Garmin Instinct 3 Solar is not just a gadget, it's your adventure partner. It's designed to push your limits and take you to new places. So why wait? Order today and take another step toward a life filled with exploration and excitement. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and gadget updates. Thanks for watching.